to What is Up YouTube? It is your boy Trucker Doc back with another video for you guys. Before we go ahead and get into what this video is about, I want y'all to go ahead and hit that like, comment, subscribe button. Also hit the notification bell to let you know when a new video is going to be dropping. Today's video is going to be how to save money while being an OTR truck driver. And I think I've kind of perfected this system or model or whatever to fit my needs and what I do. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it, guys. First thing, I'm gonna let you guys know I have three bank accounts. I have a checking, and then I have two checkings and one savings. The reason I have three, for one of my checking accounts, I use it for everyday purchases at truck stops or some food, drink, groceries, stuff like that. That's one of my checking accounts. The other checking account I use for bills at home. I save up money for the bills at home, and pay my bills online, get online bill pay. If you guys don't have it, make sure you guys get that online bill pay. And then I have a savings account for savings and also for taxes, because as an owner operator or an independent contractor, 1099, you pay taxes quarterly. You do not get taxes taken out in your settlement every week. So I put a percentage of my settlement every week into my savings account, and then I use that for my taxes every quarter. Now how I break it up, 20% of my settlement goes into the checking account for everyday purchases. 40% of my settlement goes into a checking account for my bills every week, and then also the remaining balance, or should be another 40%. It might be a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on, but the remaining balance goes into my savings account for taxes and any extra savings that I may do. And as for like the taxes, guys, if you're not putting at least 20% of your weekly net earnings into an account for your taxes, you need to up it, and you need to put at least 20%. Me, I put it kind of equals out to about 23% that I set aside just for taxes. Even though the 40% comes out into my savings, I still put about 23%. The rest is just, I don't even touch it. It's just there, just in case. Now, how you going to save? What you're going to do is, you have your bill account. You also have your spending money account. Do not, under any circumstances, touch your savings unless you absolutely positively need it. Do not touch your savings. Do not touch that extra percentage. If you're not an independent contractor, it can still work for you. Just don't touch your savings account. If you're an independent contractor or a 1099 or owner operator, set aside your side for your taxes. Don't touch your taxes, and also don't touch that savings account unless you absolutely positively need it. And you will see that every week it's just gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger. And like I said, if you're running a lot like I do, where I'm bringing home $1,600 to $1,700 a week, and it breaks up, and that stuff, it just adds up. And you may not use your everyday spending account every day or every week. You might buy a week's worth of coffee and some food. And if you're doing 20% of that of your settlement of a $1,600 check, you're still gonna have some money left over to carry on until next week. So that's gonna build, and that's gonna build, and that's gonna keep building, guys. So listen, pay attention, guys. So that's how I was able to save. Now, I also have a maintenance account where I put 14 cents of every mile that I run for that week. I put 14 cents per mile into a maintenance account that I have access to whenever I need it. I only use it for my truck if I need windshield wipers, windshield wiper fluid, coolant, headlights, anything like that. I use it for my PMs, my A services. That's what I use my maintenance account for. Now that builds up as well if you leave it alone. You should be doing your PMs. I do mine every 30,000 miles or 3 months, depending. If you leave it alone, you're good. All right, you're gonna have that money in there. I would recommend having at least $10,000 in there, and then that pretty much is gonna take care of almost every repair that needs to be done on your truck. You'll have that in there, so you don't have to use your cash on hand to pay for that stuff. And you can access it whenever you want. At least with Swift Transportation, you can access that maintenance account whenever you like. So that's going to be key, guys. That's going to be key. Just not touching stuff. Also, how you can save money: don't buy truck stop food. Don't buy anything at the truck stop. It is going to be hella expensive, guys. It is going to be expensive. When you can buy groceries and cook on your truck, get you an electric skillet, plug it right into your inverter. You can cook on the truck. Buy an Instant Pot, a crock pot, get a microwave, and you can cook on your truck. You're saving money that way because you're not constantly going into a truck stop buying stuff. That's just little tips that I have. If you guys like the video, you like the tips, go ahead and hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Also, go ahead and comment, guys. Let's get into a discussion on, do you think this will work for you? What other options there are? What do you use to save money? How do you save your money? Stuff like that. If you guys feel comfortable with talking and having a discussion openly about that, go ahead and comment. Also, subscribe to the channel, guys. When you subscribe to my channel, guys, it puts me into an algorithm, and it gives my videos more likes and gets more viewers, more subscribers, and more people coming in engaging. And also hit the notification bell to let you guys know when a new video is going to be dropping. I am going to start dropping more videos more often, so look forward for that, guys. Until next time, keep it between the lanes.